Money Academy.
For you to become a millionaire in 2023. It's called the lion's way. You know how lions are the bosses of the jungle, right? They're strong, fearless, and super fast. They don't wait for the perfect moment to catch their hunt, they go out and make it happen. Similarly, the people who follow the lion's way are just like that. They're brave, strong, and they don't let anything get in their way. They don't wait around for opportunities to come to them, they go out and make their own opportunities. The journey of these guys is so exciting. They're ambitious, they don't follow the boring old rules, and they always want to try something new. We call these people entrepreneurs, and they're pretty awesome. These guys don't just follow the beaten path, they make their own way to success. And let me tell you, they can make a lot of money doing it. I mean, take Gary Vee for example. He's a digital entrepreneur from America who made $200 million from his 12 businesses. And he's not the only one making money. Lots of digital entrepreneurs are becoming millionaires in just 1 year with their online businesses. But hey, let's be real here. This path is not for the faint of heart. It's risky, it's full of challenges, and it takes a lot of hard work. But you know what they say? No risk, no reward. If you're up for the challenge, then go for it. But if you'd rather play it safe, this might not be the right path for you. So, before you jump in, take a good hard look at yourself and see if you're ready for the ride of your life. Listen up, my friend. If you're the kind of person who gives up easily and always blames others for your failures, then the lion's path is not for you. Because let's be real, this journey can be pretty tough sometimes. You might face some big-time failures, and you'll definitely need to take some risks along the way. But you know what? Lions face challenges too when they're out hunting in the wild. Sometimes they get hurt, but they always come back stronger and ready to take action. So, which path are you on right now? The first, second, third, or fourth? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you're ready to take the action and become a millionaire this year, then you gotta stay tuned to this channel. We've got tons of videos about making money and investing that'll help you take your millionaire journey to the next level. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.